Homologous structures are traits inherited from a common ancestor. Species that share homologous structures are phylogenetic species. Vestigial structures are traits inherited from an ancestor and no longer serve a function in an organism that possesses it. Embryology studies structures within the embryonic stages of life. Organisms can share similarities in the embryonic structures that indicate a tie to a common ancestor. An example of homologous structure across multiple species is the limbs of tetrapods. Tetrapods have homologous structures of one bone, two bones, many bones, then digits on their four limbs. This shows that they have a common ancestor that passed on this trait that allowed them to walk on land. An example of a vestigial structure in the human body is the tailbone. Though it is a muscle attachment point for the pelvis, it doesn't serve a clear purpose in the body. It's a vestigial structure because it is inherited through evolution, but no longer serves a purpose. It was most likely used by our ancestors to support a tail, which helped animals stay balanced while climbing. An example of embryological development is the similarities between humans, cats, fish, snakes, and chickens in embryonic stages. At some point, they all exhibit pharyngeal pouches and postanal tails. Even though these structures take on species-specific shape and function later in life, it is a sign of evolution due to the homologous structures in the embryo, indicating that there was a shared ancestor.